History books tell us precision mechanics began in the 18th century, but they are wrong. Hidden for 2,000 years at the bottom of the sea was a machine so complex it should not exist in the ancient world. A device made of bronze gears, carved with astronomical symbols, capable of predicting eclipses and tracking the motion of planets. Today we call it the Antikythera Mechanism, but the real mystery is not what it did. The mystery is who built it and why the knowledge vanished.
The story begins in 1901. Greek sponge divers exploring a shipwreck near the island of Antikythera discovered something unusual. Among statues and pottery lay a strange lump of corroded bronze. At first, it looked like nothing more than a broken artifact. But when scientists examined it, they saw something impossible. Inside the metal fragments were tiny interlocking gears, more than 30 precision-cut bronze cogs. Machines like this were not supposed to exist for another 1,500 years.
When researchers scanned the fragments with modern X-ray technology, the truth emerged. The device was not a clock. It was something far more extraordinary: a mechanical computer. Turning a single crank would move dozens of gears, and those gears calculated the movements of the sun, moon, and planets. It could predict solar eclipses, lunar cycles, planetary alignments, even the dates of the Olympic Games, all built around 100 BC, at a time when most of the world was still using simple tools. So the question becomes unavoidable: who possessed such knowledge?
Historians believe the device was built by scientists of the Greek world, possibly connected to the legendary genius Archimedes. Ancient writers even described machines that could model the movements of the heavens. But if such technology existed, why did it disappear? After the fall of the Hellenistic scientific centers, knowledge was scattered, libraries were destroyed, manuscripts vanished, and the mechanical secrets of the cosmos were forgotten. For more than 1,000 years, humanity had once built a computer and then lost the knowledge to build it again.
Only in the 21st century did scientists finally unlock its secrets. Using advanced 3D scanning and imaging, researchers reconstructed the entire machine. It contained an intricate system of gears that mirrored the mathematics of the universe, a portable model of the cosmos, a device that turned astronomy into machinery. It was not just a scientific instrument, it was proof that the ancient world was far more advanced than we imagined. But one question remains. If one such device existed, how many others were lost? Was the Antikythera Mechanism a rare masterpiece, or the final surviving artifact of a forgotten technological tradition? A machine buried beneath the sea. That reminds us history may still be hiding secrets, waiting to be rediscovered.